Hello everyone, I'm Rakesh. Today I'm going to present on Ladybug hair dryer. This is our team members, which is leader Raden Putri, Kat Rahman, Mohammad Khairul, presenter me Rakesh Kumar. Okay. To create this project, we follow this Gantt chart with 14 weeks with 9 titles, which is project briefing, meeting discussion, the suitable product design sketching, final design selection, preparation of CAD design, preparation of final report, presentation of design and submission. Okay, we start our project on week April, May and June. Okay, this is our simple trailer on our product. Thank you for watching. Next, agenda. We conduct this presentation with 12 agenda. First, introduction. Introduction is a simple definition of hair dryer, which is hair dryer is a blow dryer which function to dry our hair. Hair dryer consists of two parts, which is handle and main body. This is a workflow of hair dryer. The hair dryer absorb the air from outside and pull the air to inside and dry our hair. Okay, our theme of product is fauna inspiration, which is ladybug, and our product is very lightweight and minimalized. Our target of customer is mainly for travelers, women, and who loves mini hair dryer, because our hair dryer is very small, and this is very suitable for traveling. Competitors. Okay, we design our product referring to 3 competitors, which is Philips silent hair dryer, Bliss travel foldable hair dryer, Delia professional minion blue hair dryer. Okay, we start our final design. So first we sketch 15 sketchings. From 15 we select 3 sketching using a punch method, and we select another final sketching using the punch method. Okay, this is our 3 sketchings, and then another punch method is a final design. Okay, novelty. Our novelty is a foldable and portable, rechargeable, dual color, fauna inspiration, safe space, traveling, lightweight, mini touch display, dual event index. Our hair dryer is consist of a mini touch display on the top of the layer, and it's a very light, and it is used for traveling because it never consists of many space. Okay, comparison between cot and non-cot hair dryers. Okay, when we see on cot and non-foldable is Lego space, static place, and a tangled wire. When we refer to the cordless and foldable hair dryer, it is a safe space, ease of carry everywhere, and cable management, because it is a USB. It's no need for to plug in there, plug in here. Another is a specification. Specification is a dimension. Our dimension of hair dryer is 170 length, 184 width, and 70 is a width. Okay, our power of hair dryer is high pressure performance with 2000 volt. Okay, we concept dual color with 4 different colors, which is red, pink, blue, and yellow. Okay, our suitability of hair dryer is indoor or outdoor, travelers, and okay, our hair dryers Advantage and disadvantage. When we see for advantage, Pro, which is a foldable, portable, lightweight, compact, dual color, easy to save and store. When we see for disadvantage, the high power consumption, cannot use for long period because when we rechargeable it will be used for 1 to 2 hours only, or lack of maintenance, difficult to design. This is our blue ocean color, turquoise color, red ladybug, red black, pinky smoothies, pink black, and yellow retro, yellow black. Okay, this is a cross section sectional of our hair dryer. Then our dimension of hair dryer, when we folding and when we open folding, this is a template with 3D blueprint. Okay, this is a explode view of a hair dryer. You can see the parts are exploring by one, and you can see the internal parts of the hair dryer. Okay, this is an explode view of our hair dryer. We consist of 13 parts, which is a head top, head bottom, mini touch display, even air intake 2, USB port, trigger on off button, blade fan, housing, motor, DC, because we use DC because of our battery, we using a rechargeable battery, rubber hand grip, metal coil, air outlet grill, and handle. Okay, cost analysis. Okay, cost analysis. Okay, our total cost of hair dryer is 67, and our selling price is 70. So from that we can make a markup price. It is 4.8%. So we compare to the total cost and selling price, we can get a profit 3 ringgit for each part. Okay, summary. At the summary, we achieve every objective of our hair dryer design, which is a formula inspiration, rechargeable, foldable and portable, suitability, mission accomplished. So we reach our objective at the summary.